In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an amazing Airtable CRM. We're going to keep this really practical and hands-on. By the end, you'll have a working CRM built from a ready-made template, and you'll understand how the main pieces fit together: your contacts, your accounts or companies, and your opportunities or deals. Start by opening your browser and going to the Airtable homepage. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your workspace, where all of your bases live. A base in Airtable is basically a database, or in this case, the home of your CRM. At the top of the workspace, look for the option that lets you create something new. Click the area that's highlighted in the interface to open up the creation options. Here, instead of starting completely from scratch, we're going to save time and use something Airtable already provides. Click on Templates and Apps. This opens the template gallery, which includes a bunch of ready-made bases for different use cases. In the search bar that appears, type in the highlighted term shown on screen to quickly find the CRM options. From the results, look for the template called Sales CRM and click on it. You'll now see an overview of the Sales CRM template, including the tables it comes with. Click on Try this template to add it to your workspace. Airtable will create a new base for you using this template, and once it's ready, click on Sales CRM to open it. Inside the base, you'll see different tabs along the bottom or the side. These are your tables. First, click on Opportunities. This is where you'll track potential deals in your pipeline. You'll notice fields like deal name, stage, value, and expected close date. Later, you can customize these fields to match your sales process. Next, click on Interactions. This table is designed to track touchpoints like calls, emails, and meetings. Each interaction can be linked back to an opportunity or contact, so you always know the history behind each deal. Then, click on Accounts. Think of accounts as the companies or organizations you work with. From here, move to Contacts, where you'll manage the people within those accounts. Again, you can customize fields like email, role, and last contacted date. Finally, switch back to Opportunities and follow the highlighted areas shown on screen to explore linked records and views. This template gives you a solid starting point for an amazing Airtable CRM that you can continue to refine for your own workflow.